Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious, quick and easy to make Khatta Meetha Paneer. This is sweet and tangy in taste and is just so delicious. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहते देन तळे थिया डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक को चेक करंतु. To start with the recipe, first take 200 grams of paneer and cut it in cubes. To that add 1 tablespoon of whisked curd, half teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well with the paneer. Marinate for 20 to 30 minutes. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. To that add half teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 sliced green chillies. Let them splutter and then add 1 onion chopped. I have cut the onion in big chunks. Saute the onion till it turns translucent. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute till the raw smell is gone. Now add half a capsicum chopped into big chunks. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix all the spices together. Add 1 tablespoon of water to bring all the spices together. Let the spices cook for a minute. After that, add 1 teaspoon of ketchup and give it a mix. Now add the paneer pieces. Mix well and coat the paneer with the spices. Cover and simmer for 2 minutes. And there, it's ready. Just add few chopped coriander leaves and give it a final mix. So here is our delicious, quick and easy to make Khatta Meetha Paneer. The taste of this is just so unique and it is just perfect. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.